Hi, I'm Joan Smith, and I've been a nurse for 20 years and a certified nurse midwife for 12. For the last 6 years, I've been at Austin Area Birthing Center. When I'm not at work, I'm a busy mom. I have lots of involvement in Cub Scouts, Girl Scouts. I'm the secretary of the local chapter of Nurse Midwives. I'm also the clinical director here at the Birth Center. I love seeing the mother relaxing in the tub and enjoying her labor.
It was awesome. Joan was really encouraging, real supportive, helpful, calming, soothing, everything you could ask for. And I wasn't sure if, I was going to end up in a hospital, and I didn't. Thank God she was born in the water.
I think that the most special moment to the moms is being able to be completely aware and feel and see and hear and smell their baby right at the moment it's born.
After Aiden was born, it was such a special moment because we felt like we were at home already. We were comfortable, and there was just so much love surrounding us. Joan placed him in my arms, and it let us have our time together without taking him away. And she helped us get into nursing and get into a good, comfortable position and get cleaned up. And hearing him cry and having him that close to me and seeing him for the first time was just a wonderful moment that no one interfered with, and everybody just helped us nurture and bond, and just a very beautiful experience. And it actually went very quickly, and before we knew it, we just felt great and we're ready to go home. It was just beautiful, and the whole environment was it was peaceful and just beautiful.
We encourage the moms to be the leader of the team in deciding how their care is and what's going to happen in the birth process.
Whatever I wanted to do, she was there to tell me, this will work or this won't work. And if I wanted to do something else, she just made it happen so that I was comfortable and we had progress. And when Aiden finally came, she was just wonderful. She was just so excited for us.
Joan was a trooper because we kept trying new things. I was exasperated and kind of like, why are things not progressing, or what is happening? And she was kind of jumping through some hoops to, let's try this, or let's try this, and if that's not working, we'll go with this. So I always felt like there were choices, and she always let me make the decision. If it was something that I didn't feel comfortable or I was too tired to get up and move, then she would say, okay, well, we'll do that later, and it was great.
We hope that our clients feel empowered.
And I just knew, I had a feeling something was going to happen that day. So I went home, took a bath, called her again, and she said, well, they're still not close enough. Stay home. And I was like, okay. And then my husband and I called her back. Joan, seriously, it's happening today. So she said, okay, well, do you want to stay home or do you want to go ahead and come in? I said, we'll meet you there at 7 o'clock. So we drove up here, and about 5 hours later, we had a little baby girl.
They know that they can do anything, that they can be a wonderful parent, that they can endure, and that they're strong.
She was just strong enough for me, but yet still sort of a motherly force in the room that, as soon as I started to feel like I was not going to be able to make it, like, you feel at the very end, she was there to just be strong enough, and not too strong, but just enough for me.
And I would describe her as my rock. She was incredible. She's got a lot of knowledge. She's tender. She's loving. She's patient. I could go on and on about Joan. She's incredible. I loved her.
She's a careful listener, and she really I remember she really paid attention to what was going on with me, and she was careful to say, okay, if that is happening, what we're going to do is this. So I think she's careful and well-versed, very well-versed, because we ran the gamut. We had to do kind of all kinds of things.
I would have to describe Joan as, first of all, loving. She's very loving and very caring, and She's very warm. She touches you with warmth, physically and internally. When she talks to you, she looks at you with warmth. Sweet. She's just very sweet. She talks to you very sweetly, like a mother would talk to you, in time of crisis or what you feel like is crisis. And she's very smart. She's just very intelligent. She just knows, she's so experienced that she just knows what works and what doesn't, and how to help a certain person deal with something that they may be having a hard time with. So, all of those things together, she was just a beautiful person and everything that we needed for our birth.